In this video, we are going to talk about how to lose weight in a month. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. By altering your food and lifestyle, you can lose 10 pounds in a month. Everybody loses weight in a different way, though. Regardless of how much weight you want to reduce, getting there might be a significant task. But losing weight might be a lot easier to manage if you take it slow and make a few changes to your food and lifestyle. You can easily and safely lose up to 10 pounds in a month by making a few minor adjustments to your daily routine. This will help you reach your weight loss objectives quickly. Here are 10 simple steps to lose 10 pounds in a month. So let's start. Number 10. Try cardio for weight loss. Aerobic exercise improves your heart rate to burn more calories and strengthen your heart and lungs. Cardio is a great technique to lose weight quickly. In fact, combining 40 minutes of cardio 3 times per week with a weight loss diet dropped body weight by 9% in 6 months. Try to get 20 to 40 minutes of cardio every day, or 150 to 300 per week. Walking, running, boxing, riding, and swimming can accelerate weight loss. Number 9. Eat fewer refined carbs. Cut carbs to improve your diet and weight reduction. Refined carbs, which are stripped of nutrients and fiber, should be limited. Refined carbs are heavy in calories and low in nutrients, and they're absorbed fast, creating blood sugar rises and hunger. Studies reveal that a diet high in refined grains is connected with a higher body weight than a diet rich in healthy whole grains. Replace refined carbs like white bread, cereal, and processed foods with quinoa, oats, brown rice, and barley. Number 8. Start counting calories. You can lose weight by reducing your calorie consumption or increasing your daily activity. Counting calories helps keep you accountable and boost your weight reduction awareness. A study of 37 research involving more than 16,000 people found that calorie counting increased weight loss by 7.3 pounds per year. Cutting calories alone isn't a sustainable weight loss method, so you'll need to make other diet and lifestyle changes. Apps or food journals can help you track your intake. Number 7. Choose better beverages. Choosing healthier beverages is another approach to boost weight reduction. Soda, juice, and energy drinks are high in sugar and calories, which can cause weight gain. Water can help you feel full and promote metabolism to minimize calories and boost weight loss. In a study of 24 overweight or obese people, drinking 500 milliliters of water before a meal reduced calorie intake by 13%. Cut out high-calorie, sweetened drinks and drink 34 to 68 ounces of water daily to lose weight. Number 6. Eat slowly. One way to reduce intake and increase sensations of fullness is to take your time, enjoy your food, and pay attention to your body. For instance, one study involving 30 women discovered that eating more slowly than eating fast reduced calorie intake by an average of 10%, increased water consumption, and enhanced feelings of fullness. You can eat more slowly to accelerate weight loss by breaking up your meals into smaller portions. Drinking lots of water with your meals, and minimizing outside distractions. Number 5. Add fiber to your diet. Fiber is a nutrient that moves through your body undigested, helping to stabilize blood sugar, slow stomach emptying, and keep you feeling full longer. Multiple studies demonstrate that fiber has a powerful effect on weight loss. To optimize your health and increase weight loss, aim for at least 25-38 grams of fiber daily from foods like fruits, veggies, legumes, and whole grains. Number 4. Eat a high-protein breakfast. A high-protein, healthy breakfast is a terrific way to start the day and keep on track with your weight reduction objectives. By decreasing your appetite and consuming fewer calories, increasing your protein intake can aid in weight loss. A high-protein breakfast increased feelings of fullness and decreased levels of certain hormones that trigger hunger, according to an earlier research of 20 adolescent girls. A higher protein consumption is also associated with long-term reductions in body weight and belly fat, according to numerous research. A nutritious, high-protein breakfast can include items like oats, yogurt, eggs, cottage cheese, and peanut butter. Number 3. Get enough sleep every night. A regular sleep schedule may be crucial for weight loss, especially if you're trying to lose 10 pounds in a month. In a 2008 study, sleep-deprived men experienced increased hunger and ghrelin levels. Set a consistent sleep routine and reduce distractions before bed to enhance your sleep cycle and weight reduction. Number 2. Add resistance training for weight loss. Resistance exercise builds muscle and strength by working against a force. Resistance training may enhance metabolism, making weight reduction simpler. Resistance training decreased fat mass in a study of 40 women. In another study, 9 months of resistance training raised resting calorie burn by 5%. Using gym equipment or doing bodyweight exercises at home might boost weight loss. Number 1. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting alternates eating and fasting for 16 to 24 hours. It can help you lose weight by reducing the quantity you eat. Intermittent fasting has various variations. You can find a schedule-friendly method. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.